For more than 8 decades, California Professional Firefighters has been the voice for firefighters and their families in the halls of power. In the 2 years since the last convention, CPF has continued to build on this proud legacy of success. In a year where so much has changed, CPF's committed advocacy in Sacramento is making a difference for firefighters and their families. As medical responders and essential personnel, firefighters were on the front lines of the fight against COVID-19. Firefighters were among the first to be exposed to the coronavirus simply by doing their jobs, and our members were not immune from the devastating effects of the virus. Keeping firefighters safe and well-equipped was CPF's top priority, and the results speak for themselves. Senate Bill 1159 established a new workers' comp presumption for illness or death resulting from COVID-19. CPF also won supplemental paid sick leave payments for firefighters not covered by the Federal CARES Act.
As firefighters, we know that this job puts pressures on us that are hard for others to imagine. The stress can be overwhelming. Sometimes it can take over every aspect of our lives. Sometimes it pushes our brothers and sisters to suicide.
Post-traumatic stress is a defining health and safety issue for firefighters. As it has in the past, CPF is once again breaking new ground in this important fight. In 2019, Governor Gavin Newsom signed CPF's sweeping behavioral health legislative package. Senate Bill 542 creates a new presumption for post-traumatic stress injury. Firefighters diagnosed with PTSI will have an easier time getting treatment through workers' compensation. In addition, Assembly Bill 1116 creates strong confidentiality protection for conversations between firefighters and peer supporters. The new laws give California firefighters the most sweeping PTSI protection in the nation. California's paid professional firefighters are the best in the world. But as the wildfire threat expands, private companies are forcing their way onto the fire ground, trying to profit from California's fire threat. Assembly Bill 2380 puts tight controls on where and how private fire crews can operate on any fire ground. In another troubling development, local EMS agencies have conspired with private operators to take over 911 medical dispatch.
When you have a subcontractor that's a private entity that's beholden to stakeholders and the bottom line, things might get missed. Mistakes might happen, and we saw that evolve critically in San Joaquin County.
In response to these concerns, CPF mobilized a united fire service to block this intrusion. Senate Bill 438 permanently banned private for-profit companies from taking over public 911 medical dispatch.
We don't have a corporate bottom line. Our bottom line is this: we provide the best patient care and the quickest response, and our dispatch should absolutely be by sworn public safety members.
Protecting the families of fallen firefighters is a sacred duty for all of us. CPF builds on this legacy by improving education benefits for the children of those who have paid the ultimate price. AB 2554 ensures that the children of fallen federal firefighters can get fully paid tuition from UC, CSU, and community colleges.
Local and state firefighters are already taken care of in the law. They fall in the line of duty. There are no tuition and fees for our public colleges and universities in California for their spouses or their children, but the same is not true for federal firefighters, and that's wrong.
As the threat of catastrophic wildfire grows more frightening each year, CPF has fought for the resources to keep our communities safe. Through strong ties with Governor Gavin Newsom, CPF secured more than $1 billion for wildfire response and prevention. CPF also won additional support for firefighter apprenticeship training. And CPF capped a long fight to improve patient care and help ease pressure on overcrowded emergency rooms. Assembly Bill 1544 gives agencies the option to create community paramedicine programs. Community paramedics can triage certain patients and transport to alternate destinations, such as a mental health facility or sobering center. In all, more than a dozen new bills, sponsored by CPF, are now the law of the land, protecting firefighters, their families, and their communities. CPF's legislative clout also helped kill proposals that could have been devastating to your job, your union rights, and your retirement security. CPF's experienced and committed team of governmental advocates works tirelessly to promote firefighter concerns. When we stand together, we win together. One team, one fight.